Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hai, saya Visayono. Saya kembali mau membacakan sebuah jurnal dari Shanlex International Journal of Education. Di malam hari ini, di hari Jumat malam tanggal 22 November 2024, saya akan membacakan sebuah jurnal atau artikel yang berjudul A Literary Review on Curriculum Implementation Problems. Artikel ini ditulis oleh Gulcin Karakush. Semoga benar bacanya. Ministry of Education, Sivas, Turkey. Jurnal ini diterbitkan pada tahun 2021. Abstract. The aim of this study is to examine studies on curriculum implementation problems in literature and to compile some measures that can be taken to reduce these problems. Considering the criteria of this study, as a result of the preliminary examination, 39 articles were excluded and 72 articles were included in this review study. Descriptive and content analysis methods were used to analyze included studies. With content analysis, studies were examined and codes were determined about curriculum implementation problems. The researcher and co-observer studied together to confirm codes. As a result, curriculum implementation problems were presented in 4 headings. Curriculum implementation problems related to teacher, related to students, related to curriculum, and related to schools. With this study, curriculum implementation problems can be determined and necessary measures can be taken by teachers, educators, and administrators. Keywords: curriculum, implementation, problems, education, introduction. Through rapid changes and progress of civilizations, knowledge and technology changes inevitably occur in an educational environment. Among these changes, new curriculum implementations are visible. Ratnawati et al., 2016. However, educational innovations rarely meet expected goals. Carlos, 1997. These innovations are often restructured within the scope of difficulties encountered, or remaining parts are neglected with half applications. Today, having difficulty and complexity of implementing innovation in any field is a generally accepted reality. Ball and Bow, 1992. For this reason, this study aims to determine curriculum implementation problems and to suggest some solutions for educational authorities. Curriculum. The curriculum is defined as a series of purposefully planned learning activities. Makanda Wire, 2010. A mean to create learning opportunities for students in a qualified structure. Mochkowski, 2000. Involving all activities, experiences, materials and methods, knowledge, values, attitudes and skills that are consciously designed to achieve well-defined goals with a specific group of students. Cobalt, 1999. Moreover, it is the most fundamental element of whole education since it acts as a guide to reach targeted education, which connotes curriculum is an element that determines the quality and impact of the education system. Apsari, 2018. As a substantial element, it includes knowledge and skills students must know in that specific field. To fully achieve this, it is necessary to prepare a curriculum that fits students perfectly. Muskin, 2015. As a lodestar, curriculum suggests some steps to teacher, such as teaching, preparing a lesson plan, and assessing. Nevenglowski, 2018. Therefore, any curriculum change predicts a change in all these parameters. Ratnawati et al., 2016. For example, with the constructivist approach, curriculum and its components changed the assessment. Instead of a product-oriented assessment, a process and performance-oriented assessment has been adopted. Portfolios or projects have started to be used. Akoch et al., 2008. The curriculum does not only stand for choosing content and applying some methods, but also includes planned and unplanned activities involving student participation. A planned, tried, and revised curriculum ensures the interaction of students and teachers in an educational environment with physical facilities and resources of the school. Targeted goals can be achieved. Olamo et al. 2019, and contribution to the development of society can be provided. Badugela, 2012. The curriculum is a whole as a model, a document, including the organization of the educational environment, decisions taken by teachers regarding the learning process, or the opinions of society, families, and external authorities. McLachlan et al. 2018. How knowledge is perceived in a society, which types of knowledge are most preferred, which roles a teacher should have, and where the students should stand among these elements, Hickey, 2005, are all reflected in the curriculum. Moreover, curriculum defines roles of student, teacher, school administration, and family with philosophy on which it is based. Akoch et al. 2008. How to write a textbook. What technology and teaching materials will be used, and what kind of education will be given to teachers depend on the curriculum and its basic philosophy. Makandawire, 2010. Curriculum philosophy may be influenced by socio-economic, cultural, and political factors. The interest, value, and attitude towards the curriculum of each viewpoint may be different and may want to reflect these differences in curriculum. For this reason, it has basic features in different structures. Makandawire 2010 as a dynamic tool to create a real-time process. Mochkowski 2000, McLachlan et al. 2018.